Greetings, my name is Dave Knowles, and I welcome you to Huntsville's Technology Channel. Today I have the privilege of interviewing Lisa Williams. And Lisa, I don't want to say you're new on the scene, but you're back, and you're now with a company called SDI.
Yes.
Tell me about SDI. First, what's that stand for?
SDI is Systems Dynamics International. We're a company that's been here for 30 years, and we have provided aviation and unmanned aircraft system support to this community, like I said, for 30 years now. And I've been with the company since March. I'm very proud to be with the company. I came out of retirement to work with a great small business, and I love what they do. We support the soldiers with platforms that are being used in Afghanistan and other areas where we're fighting the wars. And we do our part to support the soldiers.
Well, wonderful. And welcome back again. You have a history in this community that's rather stellar. Would you share that with us, some of the successes you've had?
Well, I started out at UAH and in the engineering field and worked as a missile systems engineer for many years, and then decided to start my own engineering company in 1997, 3D Research Corporation, and we basically worked on missile systems. We sold the company in 2005, and so I took a little break to do some things, and now I'm back, and I'm just very happy to be with SDI and doing what we do.
Wonderful. Is the how do I phrase this? How's your team responding to their new leadership?
I think it's a little bit different management style than what they're used to. My style is more, we really want to grow our business. I think in this industry, if you're not growing, then it is a very dangerous place to be for a company, especially with the budget cuts that we're having to live with. We've got to look forward. We've got to partner with other teams strategically. We've got to look at who can we do business with in the community that will make us a lot stronger. And so, you know, my push is to really, let's go out there and let's partner with other companies. Let's partner with other teammates, and let's go after some opportunities that otherwise maybe just one company couldn't go after, but a team could go after.
Yes, that's certainly one of the themes that we're hearing locally a lot. I know last week at the SMD conference, there was a lot of talk about teaming, and you could see people on the floor of the exhibit hall doing a lot of that. What are some of the capabilities of SDI currently?
As I said, our specialty is really working with aviation systems, mainly rotary wing, and working with UAVs, all the way from software development to building trainers to providing trainers that go out in the field to help the soldiers really learn how to operate the system on hardware training systems as well as the real systems. With respect to the rotary wings, our support is all the way from mission planning to the logistics area to working again with the soldiers on the systems.
What are some of the future strengths that you and your team are working to cultivate?
Well, we are.
Can you share without letting the cat out of the bag?
Well, I think what our strength basically is we are working on platforms that are being used today in the fields with the soldiers. And I think the key thing there for us is to take that technology to the other agencies and to take our technologies and really expand on them. So what we're looking to do is to add more of what we have so that the soldier can do what they do, whether it's with lighter equipment, with faster equipment. So, you know, we're looking at technologies that can enable the soldier to do what they do more efficiently.
How have the Department of Defense budgets affected you and the businesses that you're involved in?
Well, I think that what it's caused us to do is really, as I said before, be strategic in teaming and partnering more now than ever, and to really look at how can we do things in a more costly manner, because you know, with budget being cut, it's very important that the soldier is still able to get what they need to fight the war.
Right.
But if we can give it to them in a more costly manner and more efficient, and really quicker, then I think that's going to help a lot, and that's what we've got to concentrate on for the future.
Well, I think that's most of the questions that we were going to discuss. Before I leave you, I would certainly have two additional questions. The first is, do you have anything else you'd like to mention about SDI and your return to business?
Well, I'm glad to be back, and again, I think SDI is a company that has a lot of potential for growth, and I'm just very proud to be working with an organization that does support our soldiers, because in my heart, I have a passion for the soldiers just because of my father being a soldier, and what he sacrificed and what he did in order to bring myself and my mother to the United States. And so again, it's really what's in my heart to do for the soldiers, and again, SDI is right there, and I'm just very proud to be with the organization.
Wonderful. Folks that were looking for additional information about SDI could go to your website.
And that
and
website
that address is
SDI-inc.com. Very simple.
Well, thank you. It's certainly been my privilege to be with you this afternoon. Thank you. And I hope that you'll view this interview again on Huntsville's Technology Channel.